This week we are going to review this 26-inch Craftsman take-along toolbox. I've had this for a little while. No longer serves a purpose for me, so it is for sale. Make an offer. Two little catches, metal. Open it up. Got a tool tray inside. Plenty of room for everything. I use this for my paint and bodywork stuff. This is what's underneath the tray. Fairly deep. Worked out great. I just got something bigger. It actually rolls around for me. As I said, no longer serves purpose for me. Make me an offer. See what I say. I can't remember how much I bought this for, but willing to let it go for a lot less than a new one, and it is basically in brand new shape. So there you have it. Enjoy.